Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog sweaters that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Zoey Fleece Dog Sweater. Zoey's Everyday Fleece Cold Weather Dog Vest is the perfect winter apparel for your favorite pooch. It is devoid of any unnecessary ornaments or bling that serve nothing but to irritate your pooch. What the Zoey has is good old 100% polyester that gives it exceptional warmth unlike other materials. You cannot get anything more comfortable than polyester. Additionally, Zoey comes in 17 different color variations which, when combined with 5 different sizes, can provide you with an amazing selection. Do understand that the Zoey is more like a vest than it is a sweater, so don't expect your pet's legs to be fully covered as well. This also gives Zoey an everyday design utility. It's fully machine washable and already comes with an O-ring attachment for your dog's leash. This makes Zoey a comfy doggy body harness, too. Moving on at number 4, we have the Blueberry Pet Argyle Navy Blue Dog Sweater. If you love the Blueberry Classic but wish there were more designs to choose from, then its vintage Fair Isle or Lopi designer dog sweater line should be the perfect choice. Available in 6 different warm and lovable colors and patterns as well as 5 different sizes, the Blueberry Vintage comes with the classic turtleneck, giving your pooch timeless elegance in its winter wear. And if that is not enough, a hole has been integrated into the back panel of the Vintage Fair to allow for the slipping of your dog's leash or harness, so you can easily put on a doggy collar or a harness underneath the Blueberry Vintage Fair. Blueberry Pet says that the Vintage Fair is primarily designed for male pooches, although we can assure these will look lovely on females, too. At number 3, we have the Zach and Zoey Basic Hoodie for dogs. If you want a more classic take on the dog hoodie, then Zach and Zoey's Basic Hoodie for dogs should fit the bill perfectly. With 13 different colors and 6 sizes to choose from, your pooch is sure to be the talk of the hood. Unlike the Zoey that comes off as a sleeveless winter wear, Zach and Zoey's doggy apparel comes with short sleeves plus the classic kangaroo pocket on the back of the shirt. At least, even if your pooch will not be able to slip its legs through the kangaroo pocket, it does make for a nifty storage compartment for its treats for that on-the-go snacking. The only lament, if any, is the absence of an O-ring attachment, so you cannot really transform the Zach and Zoey into a doggy harness. Nevertheless, for its cute and comfy design, we're pretty sure a lot of pooches will look cooler wearing this. At number 2, we have the Chili Dog Boyfriend Sweater. With the American flag carefully stitched onto the back panel of the Chili Dog Boyfriend Dog Sweater, this is one doggy winter apparel that you'd be proud to put on your pooch. Each chili dog is knit by hand by Quechua Indians, providing exceptional craftsmanship to the apparel that will keep your dog warm and toasty. What really makes it exceptional is the use of 100% wool in its fabrication, giving it unparalleled warmth and something that thin or short-coated pooches will truly appreciate. However, since it is made of wool, you'd have to pay extra attention in its washing to help preserve the integrity of the fibers. And finally at number 1, we have the Quozer Plaid Dog Sweater. Made of premium quality blend of terylene, cotton, and polyester, giving it exceptional softness and water-resistant outer layer, the Quozer Cozy British-style plaid dog vest is the perfect doggy winter apparel. It also boasts of polyester fiber filling which helps in heat retention while keeping the cold out. It also comes with adjustable Velcro system for a more secure fit on your pooch. Technically, the Quozer comes off as a highly durable and very fashionable doggy wear that we really couldn't blame pet parents who make the Quozer as part of their dog's everyday garment. It's lightweight, water repellent, and windproof, too, so your dog actually gets the best of both worlds in terms of style and functionality.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon